Before starting, let's see again what is meant by switches in series and switches in parallel. Here, suppose this is S1 switch and this is S2 switch. These two switches are in series. This position is called series. Then we write P and Q. Here P means S1 switch and Q means S2 switch. Then we write symbolic form is P and Q. Next, if S1 switch and another switch is S2, these two switches are in parallel. This position is called parallel. Then we write the symbolic form of this switch is P or Q. Remember, if switch is parallel, then symbol is OR, and if switch is in series, then symbol is AND. This is S1, S1, S2 dash and S3 dash. Here P and negation Q or R. Here R means S3 and S2 means negation Q. This is the symbolic form of the statement. Friends, today we solve exercise 1.5. Let's see the question number 1 is express the following circuit in the symbolic form of logic and write the input output table. Switch is given that here. This is S1, S2 and S3. Three switches are in this circuit. Let's see solution. Write the P statement. S1 means P, S2 means Q and S3 means R. P statement is switch S1 is closed. Here in this topic all circuit diagrams is in this form open switch, but we write in the solution switch S1 is closed, S2 is closed and R S3 is closed. Write this statement. And last L lamp is on. Write it here. Now the symbolic form of the given circuit is here S1 means P, S2 means Q and S3 means R. S1 is parallel to these two switches. Since we write here P or in bracket S2 and S3 are in series. Since we write Q and R. See here in bracket Q and R. And this is the symbolic form of this circuit. Here its input output table is given as below. We already learned table. Here only change T means 1 and F means 0. Here we write 4 1 and 4 0 in P column. Q column we write 2T 2 0, 2 1 2 0. Here T means 1 and F means 0, right? And R means alternative, right? 1 0 1 0 1 0, 8 rows. If statement are 3, then draw 8 rows. Next is Q and R. Here conjunction use here. Q means 1 and 1 is 1. Now again 1 and 0 is 0. Now next is Q statement and R statement. Conjunction here, remember. And we already learned false, false, false and false is false. But we change here. If false, then we write 0. And here 1 means true. And this is last statement. Means symbolic form. Given all statement, write in the last column. Here P disjunction with Q and R means first column disjunction with fourth column. write here its truth value. That means 1 disjunction 1 is 1, 1 disjunction 0 is 1. Here 1 means T and 0 means false, means T or 0 is T, T or 0 is 1. Right here in this form, and this is the table for this question. Next is circuit. Here 4 switches S1 dash, S2, S1 and S2 dash. Since right here solution, P statement is switch S1 is closed, Q S2 is closed. Negation P means S1 dash is called negation P, and S2 dash means negation Q. Opposite of Q is negation Q, and opposite of P is negation P. Here negation P, right statement, switch S1 dash is closed, and last negation Q, switch S2 dash is closed, and L means lamp is on. Right here this statement. Now the symbolic form of the given circuit is, let's see here, start from these switches. S1 dash and S2 are in series. Since we write negation P and Q, this is negation P and Q. Now these switches are parallel to these two switches. Since we write here OR symbol in these two switches, or P and negation Q. See here statement. The name of this statement is L. Small l is denoted symbolic form is equal to, in bracket, negation P and Q, or in bracket P and negation Q. Here its input output table is as given below. If in this circuit two statement P and Q, since draw 4 row and P column, right, already learn T 0 false. Since we write 1 1 0 0, Q statement TF means 1 0 1 0, and negation P means opposite of this right here. Here if P statement is 1, opposite of 1 is 0 right here, and here 1 then write 0. If 0 then write 1, and here if 0 then we write 1. Similarly negation Q right here, opposite of this truth value write in this negation Q. Now next P and Q means negation P and Q, this bracket, first bracket, negation P and Q write in this column, and next bracket is P and negation Q. This is P and negation Q, and in last column write down given symbolic form whole statement L. See here, this is small l, we write in the last column. We write L or whole statement, but L is name of this statement. Since write with L and find its truth value. L means this bracket disjunction with second bracket, means this column disjunction with this column is 0, disjunction with 0 is 0, 0 disjunction 1 is 1, 1 disjunction 0 is 1, and 0 disjunction 0 is 0. This is the table of this question. Next is, see here question 3. First count how many switches. See here and write the name S1, S2 dash, S3 dash, S3, S2 dash and S3 dash. This is P, this is negation Q, this is R, this is negation Q, and this is negation R. See the solution. P is a statement, switch S1 is closed, write down. Q, switch S2 is closed. R, switch S3 is closed. Negation Q means switch S2 dash is closed. negation Q means S2 dash, and R means switch S3 dash is closed, and L, write down lamp L is on. The symbolic form of the given circuit is, name of the circuit is, symbolic form is small l, and write down symbolic form. Start from this switch. This is P and negation Q or R. See, first bracket, P and negation Q or R. This is this symbolic form of these switches. Now these three switches are parallel to these two switches. Since we write here OR, parallel means OR right here, or in bracket negation Q and negation R. See, negation Q and negation R. See this symbolic form. For right here, P and negation Q or R, or negation Q and negation R. Here its symbolic, its input output table is given below. See here, 3 statement means 8 rows. P statement 4T, write down 40, write down. Sequence remember here, first 4 1 and 4 0. In Q column 2 1 and 2 0, 2 1 2 0, and last R column write down alternative 1 0 1 0. Start from 1 0 1 0 1 0. Now negation Q, we already know negation Q means opposite of Q right here, and negation R means opposite of R right here, its truth value. And next is statement. First statement is negation Q or R. This is. Next is this first bracket, P and negation Q or, and second bracket is negation Q and negation R right here, and last column write whole statement. This whole statement symbolic form is write down in this statement, or write L. L is the name of this statement, and its value find here. We already learn here. L means this bracket, first bracket is this column disjunction with this bracket. See here, this is the symbol of disjunction. Since we find 1 disjunction 0 is 1, that means T disjunction false is T. Similarly 1 or 0 is 1. Disjunction means OR. 0 or 0 is 0. 1 or 0 is 1. 1 or 1 is 1. 0 or 0 is 0. Again 0 or 0 is 0. Write its truth value. Next example. Here switch is S1, S2, S2, S3 and S1 dash. Let's see solution. P statement is switch S1 is closed. Q statement is S2 is closed. This is Q. And R means S3 is closed. This is R. S3 means R. Now negation P means switch S1 is closed. This is negation P. And last write L, lamp is on. The symbolic form of the given circuit is, start from first switch S1. See here, this is P. This switch is parallel to this switch Q. Since we write first bracket P or Q, and here these two switches are in series, and this is Q statement. Since we write and Q, again and here, because these two in series, these two switches. since we write AND here. In bracket, this is S3 means R. R is parallel to S1 dash means R or symbol right here, R or negation P. See here, R or negation P. This is the symbolic form. Now again we write in bracket, complete bracket, P or Q and Q, or in bracket R or negation P. This is the symbolic form of the given circuit. And table is right here. Table, input output table is P, Q, R, negation P, P or Q. This is P or Q. Then again write this bracket, P or Q and R. Second column, sorry, second row, see here. First bracket write down, and then again R or negation P, R or negation P, and last column write down whole statement, that is L. L means whole statement, and this is the truth value of this column. See here. Here in the textbook answer is not matching this answer, but we solve this table, then this is the answer of this question. Next question. See, S1, S1 dash, S2 dash, S1 and S2. P statement, negation P, negation Q, P and Q. See solution. P, switch S1 is closed, Q, switch S2 is closed right here, negation P, switch S1 dash is closed. See here, S1 dash is closed here, and negation Q, switch S2 dash is closed, and L, lamp is on. The symbolic form of the given circuit is this here, P or in bracket negation Q and negation P and negation Q. Repeat again. This is P or negation P and negation Q, or in bracket P and Q. See here, P or in bracket negation P and negation Q, or P and Q. Here, see here only parallel, then we write OR, and in series then we write AND. This is the table. See here, and its truth value. Next question is P or Q, and these two are series with these two switches, since we write Q or R, Q or R, and here and R or P, R or P. And see question number next. Question number 2. Construct the switching circuit of the following. Here we draw a circuit for this statement. First, write down solution. Here in this statement, count how many statements. Negation P, Q, P and R. Start from P statement. P is a switch S1 is closed. Q statement write down switch S2 is closed. R means switch S3 is closed. Negation P means opposite of P. S1 dash right here. Negation P means switch S1 dash is closed. And negation R means opposite of S3. S3 dash right here. S3 is closed. And lamp L, small l is, lamp L is on. The switching circuit corresponding to the given statement as follow. Let's see, this is the circuit of this statement. Here first is negation P means S1 dash. This is S1 dash. This S1 dash is in series with Q means S2. Q means S2, and here these are in series since we here AND conjunction. Now these two are parallel to these two are, since we write OR symbol. If parallel, these two switches to parallel, then we write OR. With P and negation R means this is P S1, and see here this is AND means these and these are in series since AND here. P and negation R. S3 dash means negation R, since we draw this circuit. Next is let in bracket P and Q or in bracket negation P and negation in bracket negation Q or P or R. First statement write down P Q negation P negation Q. 4 and negation R 5 statement. P write down switch S1 is closed, Q S2 is closed, R S3 is closed. Negation P means S1 dash. Opposite of S1 is negation P. S1 dash is closed right here. And negation Q means switch S2 dash is closed. And last write down L, lamp L is on. Since the switching circuit corresponding to the given statement is as follows. See here, first P and Q draw here. P and Q means S1 and S2. See here, S1 and S2. Now again these two parallel to these switches, since in second position write down negation P means S1 dash. S1 dash and with S2 dash or S1 or S3. See, this is AND series with these three switches are in parallel because OR symbol here. Then we write OR symbol. See here, this is parallel. S2 dash means negation Q, P means S1 and R means S3. These three switches are series in S1 dash means negation P. This is the diagram of this statement. Next is here P and negation Q and R, or in bracket P or negation Q or negation R. First write statement P Q R negation Q. Start from P statement. S1 is closed, S2 Q statement is S2 is closed, R statement is switch S3 is closed. Negation Q means opposite of S2, S2 dash is closed, and last R negation R, S3 dash is closed, and right L means lamp is on. The switching circuit corresponding to the given statement is as follows. First draw this switch S1 and S2 dash and S3, S1 and S2 dash and S3, because these are in series here AND symbol, then write in this position. And now these three switches are parallel to these three switches. Parallel means OR symbol, remember, since we write these three switches to in this position. First P is S1 and with negation Q or negation R. Remember, negation Q or means parallel again. This is negation Q, S2 dash, or negation R. These two are in series with S1 means P. Since we write P and in bracket negation Q or negation R. This is the diagram for this circuit statement. Next question is, see here, P or negation P or negation Q or P and Q. Solution: P statement, Q statement, negation P, negation Q right here, and L is lamp is on. Since the switching circuit corresponding to the given statement is as follows. See, this is P S1. Here R means parallel, right here S1 dash, because negation P means S1 dash. Again these are parallel to negation Q means S2 dash. Now these are parallel to this switch P and Q, means P means S1 and Q means S2. These two parallel to this switch. This is the symbolic form of the statement. Next question is, P and Q or negation P or P and negation Q. Solution: write down P, Q, negation P, negation Q. L, lamp is on. Since the switching circuit corresponding to the given statement is as follows. Start from P statement, means S1, S2, or means parallel with negation P means S1 dash, or means parallel with S1 and negation S2. Negation Q means S2 dash, remember, and this is S1 dash. S1 and S2, P and Q parallel with negation P, again parallel with P and negation Q. This is the diagram. Next question. Question number 3. Give an alternative equivalent simple circuit for the following circuit. Here this circuit diagram given that here. This is the question. Given in the question, we find alternative equivalent circuit, simple circuit. Let's see solution. P is the statement. How many statement? P, Q and negation P. P, Q, negation Q. P. Right, L is lamp is on. The symbolic form of the given circuit is, symbolic form is P and in bracket negation Q or Q. This is symbolic form. Now using law we solve this statement. Here in this statement, which law we use here? Here this is, we use here distributive law, means this P write and with negation P, and this P write down with Q. See here, P and negation P, or this, or again P and Q, P and Q, right here distributive law. Now again we use complement law. Complement law apply in this bracket. That means P and negation P is F. We write here F or C. C means contradiction, that means false. Since we write here C or F, we write here C or this, or, and this bracket write down as it is and write complement law. Now again we use identity law. Identity law means F or P is P. This is identity law. Here C means F. Then we wrote P and Q. This is the final of this step. Solution. The alternative switching circuit for the given circuit is P and Q. This is P and Q. in series. This is the solution. Next question. Here circuit is given that first write symbolic form of this circuit and again write its diagram. Let solution. P is the statement. First count statement S1, S2, S3, S3 dash, S2 dash and S1 dash. Sorry, S1. P statement. Switch S1 is closed, Q, S2 is closed, R, S3 is closed. Negation Q, switch S2 dash is closed and lamp L is on. The symbolic form of the given circuit is, write the name for this symbolic form. L is the name of this symbolic form. Let write this is P. P and Q or R. Again or second bracket S3 means negation R. Negation R and negation Q and P. See here P or in bracket Q or R. This is Q and R. Or here this is parallel to these three switches. Since we write or, second bracket negation R. This is negation R and negation Q. This is negation Q and S1 means P. This is P. Now apply here associative law. Here right here this is this bracket write down as it is again, or here apply associative law means here we write bracket is in this two statement, negation R and negation Q, bracket close and P. Now again apply commutative law. This bracket write down as it is first, or symbol write down as it is. Now commutative law means second statement write down in first statement and second Q statement write down in second. This is P write down in here first position and symbol this and write down as it is, and this bracket write down in second position. This is commutative law. And again apply commutative law means this bracket second bracket write down first position. Sorry, here commutative law, this bracket write down as it is, or this P and write down as it is in bracket, this Q write down first position and this R write down second position. That means negation Q and negation R. Change here only. Apply commutative law in this bracket. Now again we apply De Morgan's law. This first bracket write down as it is, this bracket write down as it is here, and again P or in bracket P and this is negation Q and R, negation R. Right here negation in bracket Q or R. This is De Morgan's law. Again distributive law apply here. P and in bracket Q or R. First write down as it is and or this P common, take common this P and P here, this P and this write down and this bracket write down in bracket Q or R write down here, and this or write down here, and second bracket is negation Q or R. This is negation Q or R. This is distributive law, and write here distributive law. Now apply again complement law. Complement law means apply this bracket complement law. P or negation P is T. Here T means tautology, right here T. We can write here T, capital T, or tautology T. This is, suppose this bracket is P or negation P is T. Since we write P or and T, complement law we use here. And now again identity law is P and T is P. Since we write P. Since the alternative switching circuit for the given circuit is, this is only switch S1 is P.